Hi, I'm Dan Collins, and I just got back from Chris Miller's Spiritual Artist Retreat. And I wanted to share with you some of the things that I really liked about it. It was really a wonderful experience because it was the theme was spiritual, but it was not in the big S spiritual. It was more of a internal spirituality and how you related with your own artwork as a vehicle for personal growth. And I just really, really got in touch with that during the weekend, and it was really refreshing to be able to do things without the goal of creating something that was finished or perfect. Or I just really got into the act of making art, and the environment and that uh, Chris set up for that was just perfect to allow people to relax, get to know each other, and be comfortable with sharing themselves with each other, and more importantly, sharing yourself with yourself through your art. Uh, and that was a really great experience. So I would highly endorse Chris Miller's Spiritual Artist Retreat, and I plan to go again at some point.